Form 1099 MISC, or Miscellaneous Income, is an IRS form that independent contractors and self-employed individuals use to report payments and miscellaneous income, such as non-employee compensation, rents, prizes, awards, healthcare payments, and so on. If you fill out Form 1099 MISC, you also need to complete and send a copy of Form 1096 to the IRS. You can either download your copy from the IRS website or get the current revision of Form 1099 MISC that you can edit, sign, and submit electronically at pdffiller.com. Note that the IRS overhauled Form 1099 MISC in 2020 and introduced a new form called 1099 NEC, Non-Employee Compensation, starting in the 2020 tax year. Form 1099 MISC has several parts. Copy A of Form 1099 MISC in red is intended for IRS use only. The black parts of the form can be completed and sent to other recipients. Copy 1 goes to the recipient's state tax department. Copy B is retained by the recipient. Copy 2 goes with the recipient's state tax return. Copy C stays with the payer. Let's proceed with completing the form. Start by filling out your name, address, and identification number, as well as the recipient's name, address, and social security number. The 1099 MISC form has a series of boxes in which the payer will include whichever type of payment was made. This may include rents in Box 1, royalties in Box 2, medical healthcare payments in Box 6. Other boxes may be filled out including Box 4, federal income tax withheld, and Box 15, state tax withheld. Once the necessary fields are completed and checked off, save the form to your device or securely share it with your recipient via email, fax, USPS, or SMS. Good luck, and don't forget to submit your Form 1099 MISC before the due date established by the IRS.